Hello and welcome to the Technical Writing for University Moodle site. My name is Chris Cook and I'm the course coordinator. This video will take you through some of the basics of using the Tech Writing Moodle site and also point out some of the important things that you need to do before you get started. Okay, so let's have a look at the Moodle site.
Once you've logged into Moodle and clicked on the link to Technical Writing for University, this is the page that you will come to. In the center of the page here is some information that will be updated each week with important details on things that you'll need to do for that particular week. On the left and right hand sides of the page we have these things that we call blocks. On the left hand side we have the information block, the communication block, the assessment block and the support block. Now, it's important to familiarize yourself with the information that is contained within these blocks before you get started. So in the information block we have a link to the course profile, and if I click on this link it will open up a new page, and here I have an electronic version of the course profile. I'll just expand this page. Now if I click on any of these links it will expand and collapse those sections and you can read the information on screen. But it's also a good idea to save or print a copy of the course profile, and you'll get a page like this. You can click on select all, you can choose the sections that you would like to save or print, and then you can either save or print that the course profile. Now I'll just close this page down to return to my Moodle homepage, and here we also have a list of course contacts. So these are the teaching and support staff for this term. Now, I can either click on the back button to go back to the home page, or I can use this thing here that's called the breadcrumb trail. And I'll click on the course code here, and this will take me back to the TWU homepage. Now here we have two links to the study guide and the Harvard referencing guide. These materials are sent out to you in hard copy, but they're also available electronically here. So for example, if I click on the study guide, I have all of the different weeks or chapters, and you can click on those to expand them. The same with the Harvard referencing guide. I can click on this link and to access a PDF copy of the Harvard referencing guide. It's useful if there's something in particular you want to search for, so rather than looking through the hard copy. Now in the communication block we have 4 forums. There is a news forum, which is for staff posting messages to students, and we also have a seeking writing partner forum. So you might want to use this at the beginning of term to find somebody who you would like to share your writing with and give each other feedback on. It's great to have a writing partner for any of the assignment work that you do at university. And we also have a student-to-student forum. So this is where you can talk to other students about any questions that you might have, any problems that you might be having, give each other encouragement and support and so on. Now if you can't find any of the answers by talking to your peers, you can use the student-to-staff forum. So you can use this for posting questions about the assignments, about study materials, or where to find things, and we will get back to you within 2 working days. Now, the all-important assessment block. Now, if you click on any of the links within the assessment block, that will take you to details of those assessments, including the marking criteria and any presentation details. If you have any questions about the assessment, it's important that you get in contact with us to confirm those details. Now just a note on Assessment 2, we will be updating some of the options that you have to write about, so check back in here for details on that later. We'll also post a notice on the news forum when they have been updated. Now in the support block there are a number of links to sites that may be of use to you this term, so IT Help, Library, Moodle Help and so on. I will point out the assessment extension request link here. So if circumstances beyond your control prevent you from submitting an assessment on time, you can click on this link and fill out the details to request an extension of up to 2 weeks. If you don't have supporting documentation, you can put in an explanation of your situation, and we'll evaluate that and get back to you. Wherever possible, you should request an extension before the due date to avoid late penalties. Now, there are links to other information that may be of use to you this term, and I'll also jump across the page to these other blocks and point out the calendar block, which contains the dates, key dates for the term, including the assessment due dates. So it's important to check that for details. Now, for the main content of this site, you'll need to go to these topics here. Now, you can click on these to expand and collapse them, and the information that is here should keep you up to date with what you need to do in TWU this term. So in each week there will be some explanation and also links to documents and PowerPoints and so on that will help you keep up to date with what you need to do each week. If you have any questions about any of the content, please don't hesitate to contact us. And as I said, you can use the student to staff forum, or you can send us an email or give us a call. Okay, so that's a basic overview of the TWU Moodle site. Please take some time to explore the site, click on the links and see what information is available. Don't worry, you can't break Moodle, so don't be afraid to click about and have a go. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You can use the student to staff forum, send us an email or give us a call, and our contact details are here.
I wish you all the best with your studies this term, and I look forward to seeing you online soon.